Hello everyone, welcome back to the virtual workspace. This is the third part of our series upgrading Citrix version, and today's session we are going to upgrade the storefront server. So in my last video uh, we have upgraded the license server, and now we are at stage 3. So we are upgrading the storefront server. So uh, here is the pre checklist. So we need to back up the configuration and subscription data before upgrade, and also we need to take the server snapshot that I have already taken, both storefront server, and we need to check the replication of two servers. So here is first server. Let me log in there. Okay, so uh, first we will take backup of configuration. So and then uh, we will copy the subscription data. So this is the PowerShell. This is the PowerShell command. Using that you can uh, take the backup. So this will export the storefront configuration data in this folder. So while upgrading, if it is get failed or if it is corrupted, in that scenario we can use this configuration data and reconfigure our storefront server. So before upgrade, we need to take this, and the second backup, we need to take the subscription data. So subscription data means let me show you that. So I have logged in on the into the storefront URL, and if some user mark some application as a favorite, so that particular information stored in the subscription data. So if that data corrupted, or if that deleted while upgrading, then you for user they need to again mark the application as a favorite, so it will not show in their favorite list. So for now there is no any favorite application for me, but if I click here and if I add this application as a favorite, so now it will store that information into the storefront server subscription data. So I have just added to this application as a favorite. So let's click on the home. It will add some that to application as a favorite application. So this particular information stored, or this particular information stored into that uh, subscription data. So first we will this application is added there in my favorite list, and this information, this particular configuration store under subscription data. So first we will take the backup. Configuration backup is going on. It will take some time to export all data, and then we will run the other command. Meanwhile we will check the server synchronization. So for server, this is our server 1. Here it's showing green, so it's run, and the configuration backup as it's completed. Let's go to the folder and check. So I have copied that into C backup folder. I have given that path. So the configuration backup is copied here. This is sf1 config.zip. So on this folder we have a backup now. If it is corrupted or if it is get failed, that we can export this configuration backup and recover the servers. So now we will run this PowerShell command. It will export the subscription data that I show earlier. So just run this command. It will copy that subscription data on desktop. Okay, let me go there and just check on desktop. It is completed. It's giving some error, but it's copied. That subscription data is copied. So we have taken backup, and also we have copied the subscription data. So now we can start the upgrade, but one thing we need to keep in mind while upgrading the storefront server. So we have created this store, CTX Workspace, and there are two server in this store. So in same store, both server or should have same Citrix storefront version, or also same have the both server have a same operating system version. If we use a different version, like if we just upgrade this one server, and if there is a different server on both different version on both server, then configuration get corrupt and it will not work. So to add two server in the same group, they should have a same Citrix version. So we cannot directly upgrade this, because it will there two different Citrix storefront version. So we cannot directly upgrade the storefront now. So what I am so we have two servers, so I will remove this particular server from the group, and after that there will be only one server, and then we will start the upgrade. So snapshot is already taken. So now I just can log into the server 2. Just click here, remove server. It will remove this server. Okay, we can so from here you can remove that. Just select this server. So if it's depend like how many server you have in your store. So if there are more than one server, then you have to follow this process. First you need to remove one server. If there are three server in that scenario, three or four server in that scenario also, you need to do the same thing. um, you need to remove one server and upgrade that, and after that you can add other server to this group. So in this scenario we have two servers, so I am going to remove the um, for second number server, because we cannot keep the same different version in same server group. So first I will remove the second server. I just it is just started. It will take some time, and once it removed, we will upgrade the server, our first storefront server, and we will test the URL, and if everything is fine, and then we will upgrade the other server. So server 1 is removed. Now it will just update here. If you go to the server 2 and refresh, it will take some time to synchronize, and then it will okay. So it is removed now, and it's only one server in server group. Let me check on the server here also. If you check, it's showing only one server. Okay, so we have we have uh, we have taken a backup of configuration. We have removed the server, so now we have only one server in group. So let me close this and we will start the upgrade. I have attached the Citrix setup ISO and run the setup on server 1. So here we need to select this first option. It will take some time. It will detect the earlier installation and then it will start. Just click on start here. Okay, so from the screen, it will setup is already detect the earlier install uh, product. So now I'm going to click here, upgrade storefront. Just click. It will start the upgrade soon. So setup is launched. I just click on agree and click next. So this is the new version. Will upgrade the current 2302 to 2402. I'll click on install. So upgradation is started. It will take some time. I just skip recording and I will start again once it completed. So Citrix StoreFront Server upgrade is completed. It is completed successfully. Now I will just finish it. Let me click on finish button. Okay, I will reboot the server. So first server we have upgraded to 2402, and after reboot we will store and check the URL status, and if everything is fine, we will upgrade the after testing we will upgrade the next server. Server is restarted now. Let me log in. So let's launch the storefront server. We no need to configure it actually. Uh, as we just upgrade the server, so it will use the old configuration, uh, and that URL which we uh, configured, or the customization we did, that will be as it is. Let's launch the storefront. Storefront server is launched now. Just go to the store and we will just check the configuration and we'll try to access the URL and the storefront URL. Still it's loading. Configuration is still loading. It is first time after update we launched the first time, so it will take some time to load all the configuration. So storefront server is loaded now, and the configuration, if you check uh, the store which we configured earlier, CTX VM is as it is there, and the URL which we have uh, added the default URL, so that customization is as it is there. We will just try to access this URL and uh, just check the storefront and just check the version if it is okay. It is uh, updated to 2402, and the configuration is also there. And if you go here in server group, it will show us only one server, as we removed uh, the other server, this one, before uh, before upgrade. So meanwhile, I'll just try to launch this. I'll just try to access that URL, the storefront URL, and after that, I will update the other server, this one, SR2. Okay, let's try to access the storefront URL, and we'll just try to log in. So here is the URL. Server group is still loading. Meanwhile, we'll just test the access. Server group is loaded, and there is only one server currently, and the base URL as we configured. So this this storefront server is working fine, and it is upgraded successfully. So we will just for this server, um, we will we can directly uninstall the storefront server, and we will install the new we will uninstall it and clear everything, and then we will install new server. So new means we will install upgraded version. Okay, applications, I'm able to log in, and it's showing all application also. So after upgrade, storefront server is working fine. Now we will upgrade this server, the second server. The server is upgraded, and the old configuration is as it is on that server. So now we will we will upgrade the SR2 server, this one. So for this server, we will directly uninstall the old storefront version 2203. I will start the uninstallation. So we will directly as this server is removed from the store. So we will directly uninstall this old Citrix version, and uh, after reboot, we will install the 2402 storefront version, and then we will add this server in the server group. So uh, whatever the configuration we on the server 1, that configuration will synchronize to server 2. It will take some time for uninstallation, and then we will reboot the server. Uninstallation is completed now. So old version is completely uninstalled. If needed, I will reboot the server. Okay, I'll just reboot the server, and after res- restart, I will start installing the updated version. Server is restarted now. Let me log in into the server. I've attached the 2402 setup file, ISO file, to this SR2 server. So we will just launch and start the installation. So we will just start installation of storefront server. It's completely new setup, and once it installed, we will add this server to our existing store. Just accept the agreement and click on the next. So installation will start. So installation is started now. It will take some time. I'll just skip this in recording and start once it completed. installation is completed. I'll just close this, and we need to reboot the server after that. So once it start, we will add this server to our existing store. Server is restarted, so we'll just log into the first server and start the storefront server. So we are on SR2. Just launch the storefront and just check the version. The server, the storefront server still loading. Let's go to the. So this is our server 2, and it is, as we uninstall the older version and install new version, so there it's not showing any configuration, and it is new version is 2402 is installed, but it's not showing any configuration. We will now we will add this server to our store. Once this server is up, we will just add that server, and the configuration will sync from this server to the from server 1 to server 2. Server 1 is loaded now. So from here, um, we will just add the new server. So currently, if you click here on store, so there is this is our store name, Citrix uh, VW, and in this store there is only one server is there. So we will just click here to add server, and from server 2, we will just click this option, join existing server group. Okay, so now this is the authentication code we need to add into the server 2 to. So this is the authentication code I have copied, and the server host name we need to server host name. So now the server 2 will add into the existing store and sync all the all the configuration whatever we did on the server 1, that will be automatically sync with the server 2. So this is the process to upgrade the storefront server. Just quick recap what we did uh, in this video. First, we will uh, take backup of the configuration using the PowerShell command. And then there as there as there as there are two server in store, so we have removed server 2 from the server group, and we have upgraded server 1 to 2402. And after that, we just after upgrade we just the server configuration and check the set storefront services for server 1, and for server 2 we have completely uninstalled the old version and install new version. And after that we just added server 2 to our existing server group CTX. And now that and once it added completely, that configuration will sync, and this will be and whatever the configuration we made in if we did some changes on server 2, it will sync automatically to server 1. So this is the complete process to upgrade the storefront server. Will take some time still. It uh, still configuring, copying that configuration to this server. Okay, somehow it's failed. I think we just need, okay, server is added here also. Just we need to, changes is not synchronized actually. If you check on the server, it's showing that server is added there, but changes we just need to we just need to reboot the server too and try try again. So let me try that. As propagation was failed, so I have rebooted server 2 and again start the propagation, and it is completed now. So both server are uh, now now in store. It's showing two server, and both server are propagated and synchronization is completed. So StoreFront server update is it's completed now, and in next video we will upgrade the controller. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.